want to use it.
You want to go in?
I want to use it.
I want to use it.
There are different kinds of bread.
And what's on the bottom? Baguettes?
Yep.
And those are baguettes.
Those are baguettes on the bottom.
If you look under,
Oh, up there! Oh, beautiful!
Did I go up?
so cool.
So cool.
Did I see them up there? Like those flower breads.
I wonder how it gives you the vending machine.
This is so cool.
It's a bread vending.
I wonder how it gives you
I mean, they're only like $1
Could
for
we go here again with money, Mom?
What?
Could you get those bread with money?
Absolutely, but not today because
Yeah, it does credit card.
I didn't bring my money.
Next time, please. Honey, you need
So are we gonna get? I feel like the one up there would be more likely to drop down. Get it out. Or I
Left.
guess there's this lift.
Right.
So you have to get it down to the bottom.
No, you don't.
No, it goes down to the bottom after you pay.
You have to make it go.
Okay, great.
This works.
Okay, put it in.
So yummy.
Great.